In this video, we will explore the uses and negative of technology. Let's go into the video. Technology refers to the set of tools, processes, methods, and systems that are designed to solve problems, improve efficiency, and enhance human capabilities. It encompasses a wide range of fields, including computer science, engineering, electronics, and telecommunications, among others. Technology can take many forms, such as hardware devices, software applications, algorithms, networks, and platforms, and it can be used for various purposes, such as communication, transportation, entertainment, healthcare, education, and manufacturing, to name a few. Some of the latest advancements in technology include artificial intelligence, AI. AI involves the use of machine learning algorithms and data analytics to enable machines to learn from data and perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence, such as recognizing images or language. 5G networks. 5G is the latest wireless technology that provides faster data speeds and lower latency, allowing for quicker and more efficient communication. Internet of Things, IoT. IoT involves the interconnection of devices and sensors to enable the exchange of data and information. This technology has various applications, including smart homes, smart cities, and industrial automation. Blockchain. Blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that provides a secure and transparent way of storing and sharing data. It is widely used in cryptocurrency transactions and can also be used in various other applications, such as supply chain management and identity verification. Quantum computing. Quantum computing is a new type of computing that uses quantum mechanics principles to perform complex calculations. It has the potential to revolutionize various fields, including cryptography, drug discovery, and financial modeling. Technology has a wide range of uses and applications across various fields, including communication. Technology has revolutionized the way we communicate, from traditional methods such as phone calls and emails to newer technologies such as instant messaging, video conferencing, and social media. Education. Technology has transformed the education sector, making it possible to access learning resources from anywhere and at any time. Online courses, educational apps, and virtual reality tools are just a few examples of how technology is used in education. Healthcare. Technology has had a significant impact on healthcare, from electronic health records and telemedicine to medical imaging and remote patient monitoring. Entertainment. Technology has transformed the entertainment industry, providing access to movies, music, and games through various platforms such as streaming services and gaming consoles. Business. Technology is widely used in the business world to increase efficiency, automate processes, and improve communication. Examples include customer relationship management software, supply chain management systems, and digital marketing tools. Transportation. Technology has made transportation more efficient and convenient, with innovations such as GPS navigation, ride-sharing apps, and electric vehicles. These are just a few examples of the many ways technology is used in different industries and fields. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications that will continue to transform our daily lives. However, technology has also had some negative impacts, such as privacy and security concerns. The increasing use of technology has raised concerns about the privacy and security of personal data. Social isolation. The use of technology can sometimes lead to social isolation and decreased face-to-face interactions. Job displacement. Technology has also led to job displacement in some industries as machines and automation replace human workers. Overall, the impact of technology is complex and multifaceted. While it has brought many benefits and advancements, it is also important to consider its potential negative effects and work to address them. Thanks for watching.